Once I have a genuine question. Do you like working underglows and Teslas?
That's it. Pretty easy. Because the whole car's meant to be ripped apart, man. So if you wanna get rid of your dashboard, you literally just pull it out. Teslas. Go DIY your own cars. Madali lang siya, guys, promise.
Why are you getting underglow on your Tesla, bro?
Aura, bro, aura.
Bro, that toolbox is as big as you. Oh,
Heavy.
is that actually heavy?
No.
Oh, it's not. I lift more than that.
I'm injured, bro. My ribs. Guys. Stretch before you play Beyblade. My back hurts.
I thought you were gonna say golf.
Beyblade, bro.
Whoa.
Yeah. Sexy.
Shit.
Fun fact, my car is called the Mogmobile. So we got the Underglow for Ultra Mog. It's not even that long of a wait. Because you do have a place to wait inside.
You like
So I love it. 10 out of 10.